Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are well and enjoyed my previous chicken pakora recipe. Today I'm back with a slightly different recipe and healthier recipe than the previous videos. As you know, when you're fasting, all you think about is food and you want to try something different for iftar. So I have decided to go for a healthy option. So today I will be making lamb steaks. For lamb steaks, I won't be using too many ingredients as you know, too much marination won't give the natural taste of the lamb. So the ingredients I will be using are 1 kg beef steak, some butter, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, some bell peppers and some onion. Sprinkle the salt and black pepper onto the steak, rub it well and then place the steak into the fry pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and do the same process to the other side. Guys, you can also use olive oil or butter, but I prefer butter because it gives extra taste to it. Side is on the, going to put that in. Do the other side, same thing. Some salt. As you can see, it's a very easy and simple recipe. Lamb steaks are ready. As you can see, they look so juicy and perfectly cooked. A lot of you guys complain whenever you try to cook lamb steaks, it never come out perfect. The reason why they don't come out perfect, firstly, you're probably buying the wrong part of the meat. So the right part of the meat you need is rump steak. And secondly, don't overcook your steaks. All you need to do is just cook the steaks on medium 3 to 4 minutes each side. And if you have any more questions, please comment down below and I will get back to you. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Inshallah, I will be back with another recipe, which is samosa chaat. Stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.